Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Do you appreciate the beautiful paint job on your vehicle? We do. Listen up. Thanks once again for your visit, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll delve into the advantages of using paint protection films, ceramic coatings, and other methods to safeguard your car's paintwork. The benefits of investing in car paint protection. Investing in car paint protection comes with a range of benefits that can help maintain the appearance and value of your vehicle. Whether it's through paint sealants, ceramic coatings, or clear film, these protective measures can shield your car's paint from environmental damage such as UV rays, bird droppings, and road debris. In this video, we'll explore the advantages of investing in car paint protection and why it's a wise decision for any vehicle owner. Understanding car paint protection. Car paint protection is a crucial investment for maintaining the exterior of your vehicle and preserving its resale value. It acts as a shield against environmental elements such as UV rays, bird droppings, tree sap, and road grime that can cause damage to the paintwork. What is car paint protection? Car paint protection refers to the application of a clear film or coating to the exterior surfaces of a vehicle, serving as a barrier between the paint and potential hazards. It enhances the durability of the paint and makes it easier to clean, keeping your car looking newer for longer. Different types of car paint protection. Wax sealants. These are traditional car paint protectants that provide a glossy finish and temporary protection. They require regular reapplication. Ceramic coatings. Known for their long-lasting durability, ceramic coatings form a semi-permanent bond with the paint, offering strong resistance to environmental contaminants. Paint protection film, PPF. PPF is a transparent film applied to vulnerable areas of the car, such as the front bumper and hood, providing excellent protection against stone chips and scratches. Investing in the right car paint protection not only safeguards your vehicle from damage, but also reduces the frequency of detailing and maintenance, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. Advantages of investing in car paint protection. Long-term protection from environmental factors. Investing in car paint protection provides a shield against environmental elements such as UV rays, acid rain, and bird droppings. These factors can cause gradual deterioration of the car's paint, leading to discoloration and corrosion. With a protective coating, the paint is safeguarded from these hazards, ensuring the exterior retains its pristine condition over the long term. Preserving the car's resale value. Car paint protection not only safeguards the vehicle's exterior, but also contributes to preserving its resale value. The protective layer prevents scratches, fading, and other damages, maintaining the car's aesthetic appeal. When it comes time to sell or trade in the vehicle, the well-maintained paintwork can significantly enhance its market value, attracting potential buyers and commanding a higher resale price. Enhancing aesthetic appeal. In addition to safeguarding the paint, car paint protection enhances the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. The protective coating adds depth and gloss to the paint, giving the car a showroom finish that lasts. It creates a barrier against dullness and maintains the vibrant color of the paint, ensuring that the vehicle looks visually appealing and well-maintained. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Investing in car paint protection simplifies the maintenance and cleaning process. The protective coating makes the surface smoother, preventing dirt, grime, and other contaminants from adhering to the paint. As a result, washing the car becomes easier and less time-consuming, allowing the owner to maintain the vehicle's appearance with minimal effort. I have structured the content according to your specifications, incorporating engaging formatting and an informal tone to keep the reader interested. Financial benefits of car paint protection. Car paint protection offers substantial financial benefits, starting with cost savings on repairs and maintenance. By providing a protective layer over the vehicle's paintwork, it shields the surface from small scratches, fading, and oxidation. This reduces the need for frequent touch-ups and repaints, ultimately saving money on costly repairs that can accumulate over time. Reduction in depreciation. Furthermore, investing in car paint protection can lead to a significant reduction in depreciation. A vehicle's appearance plays a crucial role in determining its resale value. With a protective coating in place, the paint maintains its original luster and shine, preventing the onset of aging and wear. As a result, the car retains its value for a longer period, ensuring a higher resale value when the time comes to sell or trade it in. Professional versus DIY car paint protection. Car paint protection is essential for maintaining the appearance and value of your vehicle. When it comes to protecting your car's paint, you have the option of either professional installation or a do-it-yourself DIY approach. Each method has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Benefits of professional car paint protection. Professional car paint protection offers several advantages. Firstly, professional installers are trained and experienced in applying protective coatings with precision, ensuring thorough coverage and a flawless finish. They also have access to high-quality products that may not be readily available to consumers, resulting in a more durable and long-lasting protection. Additionally, professional car paint protection often comes with warranties, providing peace of mind knowing that any issues will be addressed by the installer. Moreover, professional installation can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle, giving it a showroom-quality shine that is hard to achieve with DIY methods. Pros and cons of DIY car paint protection. DIY car paint protection appeals to those who are comfortable performing automotive tasks themselves. It allows for flexibility in choosing products and application methods, giving owners a sense of control over the process. DIY options are also typically more budget-friendly, saving on labor costs associated with professional installation. However, the DIY approach comes with its own set of challenges. Inexperienced application can result in uneven coverage, air bubbles, or product wastage. Furthermore, DIY products may not offer the same level of durability and longevity as those used by professionals, potentially requiring more frequent reapplication. In summary, professional car paint protection offers precision, access to high-quality products, warranties, and a superior finish. On the other hand, DIY methods provide flexibility and cost savings, but may lack the expertise and long-term effectiveness of professional installations. Ultimately, the choice between professional and DIY car paint protection depends on individual preferences, budget, and desired outcomes. Factors to consider before investing in car paint protection. Before investing in car paint protection, there are several factors to consider. These factors can help you make an informed decision and ensure that the protection method you choose aligns with your specific needs and circumstances. Cost and budget. When considering car paint protection, it's essential to factor in the cost and your budget. Different protection methods come with varying price tags, so it's crucial to determine how much you are willing to invest in preserving your car's paint. Additionally, consider the long-term cost implications, such as maintenance and reapplication expenses, to ensure the chosen protection aligns with your budgetary constraints. Frequency of use and driving conditions. Another critical factor to consider is the frequency of use and driving conditions your car will be exposed to. If you frequently drive in harsh weather conditions or on rough terrain, you may require a more durable and robust paint protection solution. Understanding how often and where your car will be driven can help you select a protection method that can withstand the specific wear and tear it will encounter. Warranty and quality of products. Evaluate the warranties and quality of the paint protection products available in the market. A reliable warranty provides peace of mind and assurance of the product's effectiveness. Additionally, consider the quality of the products, ensuring they offer the level of protection necessary for your car's exterior. Assess customer reviews, product specifications, and industry ratings to gauge the quality and reliability of the paint protection options you are considering. By carefully considering these factors, you can make a well-informed decision when investing in car paint protection, ensuring that it effectively safeguards your vehicle's exterior while aligning with your budget and usage requirements. Investing in car paint protection can save you time and money in the long run. By providing a barrier against environmental elements and minor damages, it helps maintain the appearance and value of your vehicle. Additionally, with advancements in paint protection technology, such as ceramic coatings, the durability and longevity of the protection have significantly improved. Overall, the advantages of protecting your car's paint are clear, making it a wise investment for any vehicle owner. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.